Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony with Marking Time, and do I have a treat for you? This is an unboxing of my Sandmark macro lens that I just purchased. Stick around to the end of the video to see the high quality images that this can record with my phone. So let's jump right into it. First thing you'll get is a phone case. Next, you'll get the actual lens. Now I paid under $150 for this. I have an iPhone 15 Plus, so you have to choose what actual phone you have and then match it up with the proper camera lens. So here's the box, and what it comes with inside that box is this protective case for the camera lens. So this would be good for traveling around, and it comes with a carabiner, which you could probably attach it to maybe a backpack or some type of luggage. So that's a nice feature. But then you get into this clip. Now this clip is for if you are not using the phone case. If you have your own phone case that you use, you would screw the lens into this clip and then clip over your camera on your phone. Before I open this up, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Now check this thing out. This is so freaking cool. I am just nerding out over this thing because it's gonna really hopefully improve the quality of my videos, because I've really been struggling with getting these close-up shots. We all know how small these watch parts are, and it's really hard to capture some engaging video with just your phone, because that's all I have. I haven't invested in any kind of expensive cameras. So before I went that route, I wanted to give this a try, and I ordered this. They're out of California. I had it sent to the house. It came very fast, and I ordered the 100 millimeter macro lens. So you can see here what I was talking about with the clip. If you're just using your regular phone and you don't want to use the included case, I needed a new case anyway, so it was a win-win. They had a military discount. And if you were to buy a macro camera, you're going to spend thousands of dollars. So to get this under $150, I've been very happy with it. And I want to show you what I'm talking about with my phone and the image quality and clarity that it takes with just my phone camera. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in as best I can. Now this is at 1x zoom, and the clarity is just awful. And I really want to make some high quality videos for you guys. Now let me take it to 2x zoom. This is as much as I can do with my phone without zooming in on the photo, which ends up being a digital zoom. So let me show you the difference with this new macro lens. It's going to blow you away. Now this, when I connect it, it goes to a 6x. My camera knows that it's been connected because I have the 15. They said with a 14 and below, you need to probably use the secondary software, so keep that in mind. But they have instructions on their website, and I will link that website in the description. But take a look at this, guys. I just have this up to the camera lens. I've done nothing in the settings on my phone, and it is incredible. I think this is going to be a real game changer for my videos. And for $150, I think it's a no-brainer. Now, I'm not being sponsored by this company. This is just something I stumbled upon and wanted to purchase it. And I want you guys to see how great it can make your own videos if you're interested in this. If you guys could do me a huge favor, hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to have plenty more videos to come. We'll see you next time.